Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here, Promise Breezy, and I'm here again with another video. So guys, if this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So guys, in today's video, it's going to be a cook with me video. I'm here again with another cook with me video. In this video, we are going to be preparing delicious okra soup. You all know how much I love food a lot. So guys, let's cook together and prepare this delicious okra soup. First of all, let me introduce you to my ingredients. Okay, here is the okra I'm going to be using, and here I have 1 kilo of okra, and here is my blended crayfish, guys, and over here I have some dry prawn which I'm going to be using as well. Here I have some mackerel fish, fresh mackerel fish. Here I have some dry fish which I'm going to be using as well. Here I have my locust beans, my scotch bonnet pepper, and my 1 medium onions as well.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
And I will also add the locust beans. So guys, I just finished preparing the okra soup, and thank you all so much for joining me in preparing this soup. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If this is how you prepare yours, let me know in the comment section, or if you are going to try this method out, let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the red button that says subscribe and be part of this family. Okay, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. I'll see you all in my next video. For now, stay blessed. Bye bye.